That was incredible. We went around all these different rooms. We went down to about 25 meters. It's very much like cave diving because you've got to look out above you and below you when you go in the rooms. And then you go through, you know, corridors and into other rooms. There's a pool table there, so we had a game of pool. There's a chess table. So I don't know if you saw, but I won. Won the game of chess. There's like an exercise bicycle, a Mercedes car, and it sort of makes you feel like you're in some kind of, you know, lost city that has fallen below the sea. But you know, we went down to 25 meters, but it's a 60-meter pool, and it's the deepest one in the world. And you know, there's different things further down, and you know, I can't dive that deep, but you know, if you can, there's all sorts that you can do, as well as you can do free diving. You know, you can free dive all the way to the bottom if you want to. So really incredible experience, and it's brand new here, Deep Dive Dubai.